Hey everyone, it's me, Kit the Explorer. We're here at the Kangaroo Zoo. And here they have tons and tons of bouncy houses and fun structures to play on. Let's check it out. Come on. And here's my friend Miles. Whoa! Whoa, oh no, I'm getting dizzy. Oh, whoa! Hey, Miles, should we go down a big slide? Come on. I think I see a big slide over here. Let's go get in it. Here I go. Whoa, I'm inside the bouncy house. Whoa. This is so much fun. Miles is at the very top. Let's go see him go down. What? Miles went all the way down the slide by himself, but I'm gonna try to go after him. Here I come. Whoa! Now, we're gonna go on a ride that I like to call the Swirly-Twirly Gumdrops. It's a big circle, and in this circle, we can run around really fast. I'm gonna catch you, Miles. I'm gonna go catch him, and I'm gonna go really fast. This is so fun because it's so shaky. Bouncy houses are so much fun. We can do all sorts of things you can't normally do. I'm gonna try some front flips and back flips in this elephant house.
Remember kids, don't try front flips or back flips at home unless you have your parents' help or unless you're in a bouncy house.
I'm gonna try a front flip, which is where you flip forward. Hey, I'm gonna give it a try. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, that was a crazy front flip. Now, I'm gonna do a back flip. The front flip is because I was flipping forward. Now I'm gonna flip backward. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. You know what else is fun to do at home? Somersaults. Should we show the kids at home how to do a somersault? Let's go down there and show them. Let's go down the slide. Whoa! Whoa! Hold my hand! Whoa! Oh. Whoa! This is what a somersault looks like. You get on your knees, you tuck your head down, and you roll forward. Should we show them how, Miles? Let's give it a try. Get on your hands and knees. Miles doesn't have it quite right because he's got a ball underneath him. Let's get rid of that ball. Put your hands on the ground, tuck your head down, and roll forward. Whoa! That was a pretty good somersault. You can try those at home. Let's go play on some more bouncy houses. Let's go down the giant mountain slide. This one's so big. This is gigantic. But guess what? This slide has Kit Explorer colors. Red, blue, and yellow. Here's red, here's yellow, and the slide is blue. And it looks like Miles is already on his way up the slide. What an adventurer. I'm gonna follow him up. Wish us luck. We're so high up. Hello down there. Hello down there. Whoa! That slide was really fast. Let's do that again. Should we go through the frog bouncy house? Let's go through this one. Come on. How exciting. We'll see you on the other side, explorers. Let's go through. Come on. We're going over boulders and through a forest of red trees. Whoa! And finally, up some orange and green ladders to go down a waterfall slide. Should we go down the waterfall slide? I'll hold this so you can climb. I'm gonna hold his ball because it's hard to climb, whoa, with a ball. I hope I don't fall. I'm at the top of the waterfall. We're using our imagination to pretend that this is a waterfall slide. Oh no, I hope we don't fall. I hope we don't fall. Whoa! Are you okay? I see an alligator bouncy house. Should we jump on the alligator? I hope he doesn't chomp us. Let's go check it out. Look at this chompy alligator. We're gonna see if we can go through without getting chomped. What do you think? Let's go. This is the way to get in. Come on. Miles is gonna go down the slide, and he's gonna try to get out of the alligator without getting chomped. Can you escape? Try to get out without him chomping you. Whoa. High five. That was a scary adventure. Did you escape the alligator? Whoa. Let's see what other animals and cool things there are here at the Kangaroo Zoo. Come on. This is a castle bouncy house with a fierce, ferocious red dragon. Whoa, right behind you, I see a big elephant bouncy house. It's a red elephant. And right here, it's a big tiger. The Kangaroo Zoo is such a fun place to use our imagination. We could pretend that we're mountain climbers climbing a mountain. We could even go into the octopus bouncy house and pretend we're fishies swimming in the sea. It was so good to have you guys with us on this adventure when we explored the Kangaroo Zoo in Pleasant Grove, Utah. Thanks so much for watching, and parents, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more fun and educational videos for your little ones. You can follow us on Instagram and Twitter at Kit Explores. See you later. Bye. Can you wave? Bye. Bye, guys. Let's go play some more. Woohoo!